Hey folks, Steve Stack, Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. We're back at Studio 3B joined by Kevin Tarkovich and our buddy and new friend from Renovation Hunters. And you brought some tools along. Man, what a great idea.
Hey, this is the second key element in our Renovation Hunters. I mean, we have the Baird Brothers product line. We have the tools to install it.
Yeah.
Let me tell you what, they've taken a beating. You know, this isn't new tools sitting here. This is the stuff that has been through our 3 builds and they're still performing flawlessly. And I can't say enough about Metabo coming on as one of our sponsors for the show, what tools they have supplied us with and the quality.
You know what I was impressed with? Whatever tool I had a chance to put in my hands or operate, whether it be this 7 1/4 slide compound or that nice little 10-inch job site table saw, I could not believe the length of the life of the battery.
Yeah, definitely. With the battery life alone is something that draws you to it. Because, you know, we've been in the business that long, you know the evolution of the batteries.
Yep.
And you have a little bit of skepticism. When you see a battery tool, especially a chop saw, compound miter, table saw, we were ripping 2x12s through a table saw using the 36-volt battery.
This little guy really, and you had everything. You had the 7 1/4, you had some of the big 10s, and that the guys were using more or less as a chop saw for framing on the one job site. But this little guy for a trimmer, it's spot on.
Everybody wants to grab the 7 1/4s because they're lightweight. You take it in and out. You know, it's not where you have to set up your cut station. I had it the other day doing a renovation in a kitchen and brought it in, set it on what's going to be the future island, cut a few pieces of crown, put it in the truck, done.
Yeah.
You know, and the nice thing is there's no cords, there's nothing. It's a battery.
Yep.
And you're good to go.
Yeah, and this normally has a nice little dust collection bag on it and so forth. This is a little Mighty Mite. That's a great little compact screw gun, right? Impact, if I'm not mistaken. Great tool. But let's go back to the Baird Brothers side. Something that goes to our products. That palm sander.
The palm sander.
Huh?
They just recently released these battery palm sanders. The simplicity of grabbing one to go sand something.
Right.
You know, we put in some of these awesome butcher block tops. So we're using the router. We go ahead and ease the edge off there. And the next thing you know, before you get ready to seal it, someone has a palm sander out. They're finishing everything up. And these palm sanders, the longevity again in the battery is phenomenal. It doesn't tease you with it. When you take one of these out with a fully charged battery and you have the battery indication light on there,
Yep.
giving you all the bars, you know you're ready to go.
And I've had the fortune of having a lot of different woodworking equipment in my hands and stuff, and I was impressed. You can't see it on the camera. This thing has some weight to it. You can go in, do your routing, not worry about this little trim router bouncing around, chattering on you, because everything is substantial. I was thoroughly impressed. I think they've done a nice job on this battery product line. I want to thank you for introducing it to us.
Yeah, Metabo HPT. I know they have it on their website. The box stores carry it. Another awesome feature is their price point on this. You know, you look at some places and you're paying for a name.
Yeah.
This one, you are coming out way ahead. You're in the green.
They've done a nice job with it. Folks, check it out. Metabo woodworking tools. Kevin,
Steve,
thank you.
always a pleasure, buddy.
Stay tuned, folks. More coming your way.